Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Etoro app in your device. Etoro is a multi-assets investment platform that allows users to invest in various financial instruments. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Etoro. There you can see Etoro Trade Invest Connect. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Etoro app to trade and invest in cryptocurrencies. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.